Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today we're playing Adult Me. And this time we're in a private server, see? Ah la 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 la. Well, it didn't work, but we're in a private server, as you can see. Private server. And today we're going to be trying to level up my monkey. And let me just get out my monkeys. These are the monkeys I have. I have 1, 2, 3 full-grown monkeys and 1 neon. So if I get this one to full-grown, we can make another neon. Guys, this is going to take a really, really long time. I'm going to play some music, but I'm going to play non-copyrighted music because I don't want to get copyrighted. Copywriting is stupid. So let me just look up non-copyrighted music. Oh, guys, don't listen. Well, guys, I can't find any. That's probably copyrighted. Non-copyrighted music. Okay, can we find something that's not copyrighted, please? There we go. Oh, I thought that was non-copyrighted. Ah, please don't be copyrighted. Oh my god, okay. There. Is that good? Can't find any other non-copyrighted music. Depending what this outfit is, I mean, I'll put it back to the normal if you guys want. But I've been starting to be twins with people. This is one of my friends, Morgan, and she might call me. She has to go back to her house and go have a shower, and then she'll call me. And then I'll see her at school. So yeah, tonight is a spring night, so yeah. I don't know how to. Here. I like spam. Spam. Spam.
Hey guys, guess what?
It's an ad, I'm sorry.
Let's check it out. What an
I like this. It's called Not For Nothing. You guys probably already knew that. How long is this? 1 minute. Sorry, no, it's 11 minutes. Just saying that I got 1 minute in. So I'm used to Fortnite, like where you jump in the water, make you swim faster. I'm gonna get into a not service and I can see what people would offer for some pets. So yeah. One second, guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry it took a little bit, but, well, it was like splickety splat splat for you, but I just had a wonderful burger from my wonderful dad, who just made a wonderful burger. So we're going to get right back to it. As you can tell, if you look in the chat, we are in a public server. Really out of breath. I'm just running us up the stairs. Wait, I want to try something. You guys know the little, like electric phone chargers that you just, like, place your phone on? I have my phone right here, and I just tried it, but my phone never works on that. I have the 7, so comment below if you know why they don't work on my 7. So we're going to go say hi to some people. We see if we find any fans. I doubt we do because we only have, like, 9 subscribers, so guys better get subscribing. Help me through this, and then I'll be doing a giveaway. So, I don't know what we could do for a giveaway. Maybe Neon Otter. This is what it looks like. It is Twinkle, named Lemon. So, we could do that for a giveaway if we get to... If we get to 50 subscribers. Right spot on. 50 subscribers. I will be giving away a Neon Otter. So, and also if you subscribe, it makes me feel really, really happy. It makes me feel like there's actually people out there that could care about me and actually feel what I'm feeling. And I'm saying that because my hamster, I'll put in a couple pictures right here. Here's some pictures. So right here is a picture of me and my hamster and one of my close friends, Maddie. And right here is my hamster named Cat. And here is just me and my hamster. So those are some pictures of her, and she actually went loose a couple days, like maybe a week ago. She hasn't got food or water in a week, like more than a week, and we don't think she's alive anymore. We think that, I'm so sorry, guys. My screen recording just stopped, and then I left the game because I was going to go play on my phone. And then it just started recording in the middle of nowhere, so I'm not going to put that in. Well, back to where I was. She got loose, and we think that she died in the vents. Because we can't find her body anywhere or anything anywhere. So, I'm just saying that because comment RIP if you are sad. And I'm sorry if I made you upset. Oh, look, the thing's standing up. But, yeah. My mom said that we could get a new hamster. Not to replace her, just to get a new one to make me feel happy. And, yeah. And comment down below what update you want me to do next. I don't think I have any rat pets. Yeah, no. So, I hope I get as famous as all those other people. I'm just going to say that. I don't have... What? Okay. Like, all other people, like, I am Santa, and Megan Plays, and Leah Ashy, and... Does Jelly Play Adopt Me? I don't know. But, like, all those people. I don't really know anybody else. But comment down below a YouTuber that you love. It could be anybody. It could even be me if you really wanted it to. But so if it's an Adopt Me player, and then I'll go watch their channel. And then after, and guys, if we get to 1K subscribers, I can do a live stream for you guys. That would be cool. So I'm actually going to end this video here after we get back to the school. I do have to edit this video now. I have a whole lot of videos made but have not been made yet. Or like put on YouTube yet. So after we get this task done, well, I'll finish it right away. Bye guys. So like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment what YouTuber that you want me to look at, and comment who's your favorite YouTuber so I can look at it. And then comment RIP if you are sorry for me. And bye.